Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and finally we are in Ahmedabad for a test ride of this little device, which is GoPro Hero 5. Now this GoPro Hero 5 does not belong to me, it is of my friend Padma. He has just recently bought this, so we thought let's do a test ride. Now I know this camera is little bit old, अभी तो GoPro Hero 7 भी आ चुका है, लेकिन for a vlogger a tech thing is a tech thing. It is good forever. So without wasting this traffic in Ahmedabad, oh my god. So without wasting any time, let's go for a ride and let's test this camera. Let's go. तो अब देखते हैं कि ये रिकॉर्ड होता है कि नहीं। अब हम निकल तो चुके हैं कहीं पे, लेकिन ये अहमदाबाद ट्रैफिक में the honest, the best honest of Ahmedabad. So then now we are done with our work, done with our food, and now we'll be going home. So let's go. So finally we are back home. It was just a short ride just to test this small beast GoPro Hero 5, and trust me, this is so good. Till we have not checked the real potential of this camera, like we have done just a small ride. The real potential will be checked once we will do the action activities, adventure sports or something like that. So just wait for it, we'll do it soon. Now it has no match with SJ cam. The quality of GoPro Hero is just here. So I'm thinking to upgrade for the GoPro. अब तो सीधा Hero 7 लेंगे यार. But don't quote me on this. Sooner or later I will definitely go for GoPro, and this could only be possible once you guys show me some love, motivate me to make more of such videos by subscribing my channel, liking my videos, watching my previous videos, and sharing with your friends. So please do that before going. See you until the next time. Till then, bye bye.